Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to fix photo upload failures in Bumble profile. So now let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. The next step is try restarting the app. Simply close the Bumble app completely and reopen it to refresh. While uploading your photo, make sure that your photo is in a supported format, JPEG or PNG, and not too large. And also ensure that you have the latest app version. You need to also make sure that you are following the rules and guidelines of Bumble before uploading the photo. To verify successfully, your face must be clearly visible and you must be using your own specific photo. But even after doing all the steps, if nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Now, this should help fix most photo upload issue. So this is how to fix photo upload failures in Bumble profile. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.